What's good, yo? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here, and oh my god, those eyes. Guys, I have been dying to try out this foxy eye look that I've been seeing everywhere on social media. And today we are going to try it out together. So grab your things, cause this shit's gonna be good. Yeah. So hello, yeah, how are you doing? Hope you're feeling well and fine. Yeah, I have been on a roll lately. Yo, the consistency, it ain't easy, but I do this for y'all and I appreciate the love. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm grabbing my eyebrow brush and I'm going to brush up my brows real quick. And I'm going to be concealing my brows with my concealer, and I'm going to apply very little amount and kind of blend it in with the brush. So I went under my eyes with little concealer and I'm going to apply and blend. I know you can barely see the change, but there's some sort of difference between these two. So I'm gonna be concealing my eyelids too. I applied some concealer on it and blend that right into my skin. I just love to do this right after applying anything on my skin. Gives the full visual of things and I kind of find satisfaction there, sha. So I blend till I'm satisfied, and yeah, this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm going in with some orange corrector and I'm going to correct every areas on my face that I have discoloration. And as I'm applying that, I'm just going to like tap it in right after applying. I'm going in with some on my cheeks as well, because you can see I have some like dark spots there, so I'm just going to like correct those, and yeah. So I went in my eyes with some more and I'm just blending them all in. So I'm going on the sides of my nose and I'm going to contour the sides of my nose. Contour the sides of my nose. So I applied some on my cheeks as well and I'm just blending that in. So I went on my cheeks and I applied this orange blush and I'm blending that in too. So I grabbed my soft sponge and I'm just going to blend everything in. So I grabbed my setting spray and now I'm gonna set my face right after blending. So I'm gonna let that dry And after it dried, I went back in under my eyes with some more concealer. I'm using a lighter shade for this, and I'm just blending everything in to my skin. So now I took my eyeliner and I'm just trying to make a small line very close to where my lash ends, and I'll make another one close to my eye crease, just like that, and I'm just dragging it in. Create the line and the illusion and just fill in the space. Continue doing that till you're satisfied with the whole shape. And yeah, just drawing and creating my shape. I'm going to continue dragging out the lines till I've gotten the shape that I want. This is me showing you how I did this again. So I just tapped it on the tip of the eyeliner. I'm using this brush to make my lines. I feel like doing this helps, with any mistakes. It minimizes the mistakes you make. So if you're not really steady with your hands when doing your makeup, so it's easier for you to just do this. Yeah, so I'm dragging the lines in, and I'm just going to use my eyeliner to fill in the spaces. So I grabbed my mascara and I'm going over my lashes with them. Using this to set my face, and I went in with a brush too, so I'm just using that to set my face. So now I'm gonna outline my lip real quick. And I went in with my lip gloss. I honestly forgot that I was doing a fox eye look. So I went back in at the corner of my eyes and I'm trying to drag out. Oh my god, this is going to be very hard to explain. Okay, I'm trying to drag out the lines and I'm going under my eyes and I'm just dragging that too. And I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Honestly, it's my first time trying out this look. And I really loved how it turned out. I'd give it a 9. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. If you'd like to see more content like this, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.